What's up, guys? Good morning. We are here today at Hollis Q Lathem. It's been a long time since I fished this place. The last time I fished here was in the fall of last year. Back here, as you can see, gorgeous day today. Not too sunny. Perfect weather to be able to fish today. So we'll see what we can catch today, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. Come on, get on the boat. Don't spit it out. Don't spit it out. Dang, man, it took me so long. Thank you, sir. Wow. Man, almost forgot how to catch a fish. There we go. Whoa. Let's go. Oh, this one feels a little bit better. There we go. Like a little bit harder. Oh man, feels good. Oh, dude, don't get in there. Ooh, this one's big. It's a little bit bigger. Woo! All right. Just gonna measure it up. 17 3/4. There we go. Doesn't feel big, but I'll take it. Small one. Not a bad day. All right, thank you, sir. All right, guys, heading back to the ramp now. Had a good day. I appreciate you guys thinking through the video. Hit that like button, subscribe. That gives me a little motivation to come back out here. All right, thank you so much. God loves you, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.